Smoking on that white gold. Well, damn. Rainy day. Well, gonna bring y'all an update on this accurate MDX. Put the I was gonna put the plugs in it and change the oil, but it's been raining all day down here. I mean, I probably could do it in the rain. I don't want to though. I just don't want to. I don't want to do it in the rain. I can't afford to get sick, COVID around. I'm not trying to. That's a given disease that I'm not trying to catch. uh, um, I guess a dry day tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Naked lady sitting out here wet and back dirty. Ain't that something? I need to get a heater core. I ain't got no heat in there. Horrible ride when it's raining. Horrible ride when it's cold. Windows get the fogging up, all that hot breath blowing around in there. Shit. I don't know. Y'all think she gonna run though? Think she gonna run or sound bad? She gonna run and sound bad? Shit. Uh, Run and sound like nothing wrong with her. I don't know. I really can't wait to even try it. I'm ready to try it. Ready to try it. It's just drizzling right now. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh yeah, you might can see it. The white gold smoking.